Great. Okay, so let's hear from Cindy Pearson next. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thanks for arranging for me to speak to you via Zoom. I'm the Executive Director of the National Women's Health Network. We're a DC-based women's health advocacy organization supported by a national network of individual members. And by choice, we don't accept support from pharmaceutical, medical device, or insurance companies. The issue of compounded hormone therapy is important to us. It's been an important issue before women were offered the choice of compounded hormone therapy. During the time of the enthusiastic promotion of hormone therapy as a helpful adjunct to aging, women came to the network with questions about this promotion. They asked us, is this accurate? Is this safe? What do we make of these claims, these ads? Our take on it was based on looking at the literature. We knew that there wasn't adequate info to justify those claims, and we pressed for a response from industry, from academics, from the government to get better evidence, especially randomized controlled trials. So we've followed this issue from the 80s onward, and now obviously we do have more information about the effect of hormone therapy on healthy women using it for prevention. We also have much more robust information about the natural history of menopause and what conditions either increase, decrease, or unchanged as healthy women go through natural menopause. It's enabling us to sort of disentangle age from menopause and better understand the role of hormones, if any, that are more common in older adults, such as changing sleep quality and cognitive decline. So I was asked in this brief 5 minutes, what is the network's position on the question that the committee has asked? Is there clinical utility for the use of compounded bioidentical hormone replacement therapy? And our response is no, not in menopause. Outside of the relatively rare cases of premature menopause, there's no proven clinical utility for replacement. And that's something the FDA clarified, that no product has been approved as hormone replacement therapy for postmenopausal women. That was a marketing claim. It's not a scientific claim. But however, I also want to respond to a question that I'll call 1B. Is there clinical utility for compounded bioidentical menopause hormone therapy? And we believe it's important for you to address this, and it's obvious I listened in via webcast to the morning, and you are grappling with that because it's so common. It's promoted by celebrities. It's offered by more responsible people. We think it's very important for the committee to address what's happening on the ground. And so our response then, as a consumer advocacy organization, independent from medical industry, is that the question as to whether there's clinical utility for the use of compounded bioidentical menopause hormone therapy is also no, at least in the way it's provided now. For what our members tell us, and our own exploration of what's offered online, we see compounded BHT being offered as treatment for menopause symptoms and also for general health improvement. For example, losing weight, sleeping better, improving memory, heart health. General health improvement has not been demonstrated in a scientifically sound manner, and symptom relief can be accomplished with FDA-approved products. So, in conclusion, the network always believes, our starting point always is, women can make good decisions with good information. Good information does not yet exist for compounded BHT. And in this context, our message to women who turn to us is either avoid using these products, or if you choose to use them, be aware that to some extent you're experimenting on yourself. You may well be able to perceive the effect on your symptoms if you choose to use compounded, but the possibility of long-term risk may exist. We don't have good information and may not be immediately perceived. So I made it with 14 seconds to spare. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We appreciate your joining us.